Good day. I am Sir Rayson T. Dolohan, and I will be showing you today my developed learning materials in teaching genetics using Android application. This application can be installed in any Android device through an APK file. This consists of lessons which are prepared, selected, and assessed through the K-12 curriculum guide in senior high school academic track under STEM strand in the subject General Biology 2. This can be used as an instructional tool in teaching genetics and also as remediation for learners as it can be used offline or even without the use of an internet connection. Yes, you're right. Students can use this even gadgets only and without an internet. So now, let us explore the developed Android app. As it is installed in a particular device, just click on the app and it will bring you to the cover page interface. After a few seconds, you will see that the app is asking the user or the learner to encode some basic information, such as the first name, the last name, and you can only select a particular gender. So kindly encode the first name. So I have encoded my name, my first name, and my surname. Okay, and selected the gender. And after that, the student will submit this basic information. Okay, so after that, the app will lead you to the user interface in which you will see the categories such as the lessons, the videos, the activities, quizzes, settings, and also the references. So as you click the lessons, you will see the available lessons aligned with the curriculum in General Biology 2, particularly in genetics. You will see here and you can explore the different topics. First, we have here the topic 1, wherein it indicates the Mendel's law of inheritance. We also have here the topic 2, which indicates the sex linkage. The topic 3, which indicates the central dogma of molecular biology. And the topic 4, which is the recombinant DNA. So let us have an example. Okay? So as you click the study for the topic 1, it will lead you to the lesson. So you will see here some of the contents of the lesson. Okay? We have here an introduction, the learning competency, the study questions that the students should look into as he or she is about to study this particular lesson. So as you go to the next page, you will see the content or the selected content, the assessed content of the topic in Mendel's law of inheritance. Okay? We also have here graphics, diagrams, and pictures which are related to the lesson. We also have the number 4, the page number 4, page number 5. So we have here examples. As I have said, we have the what they call this, the illustrations to make the lesson clear and to engage the learners also in a particular lesson. Okay. So if you're going back to the interface, to the lessons, we have here the back key. Okay. You will also see here at the bottom of the user interface the categories such as the lessons, the videos, activities, quizzes, and references. So it is provided here so that the user or the learner can easily go to the category in which they want to go, right? So For example, the student is in on the lesson category. She can easily go to the video, right? So you will see here the video category. You will see he can also easily go to the activity category. We have here the activities, and then the student can also go to the quizzes, in which he or she can take the quiz, and then to the references, in which a student can able to see the source, the legit sources of this of the content of the lessons, activities, videos, and quizzes. Okay, as you click the home button here, it will lead you again to the main user interface, right? So you can choose again which category you want to choose. So such as the video. So this video includes the instructional materials that are related to the lessons. Okay, we have here the some of the videos. Okay, just like what we have talked regarding the lessons, we have here the Mendel's laws of inheritance. So these videos are aligned or parallel to the lesson that is presented. We have here the video 1, video 2 with regards to the topic number 1. We have also here the video 1 and video 2 for the lesson number 2. We also have video 1 and video 2 for the lesson number 3, and video 1 and video 2 for the lesson number 4. Okay, so let us view the sample video for the lesson number 1.
Gregor Mendel's experiments laid the foundation of modern-day genetics. We have seen so far that Mendel crossed a purple-flowered plant with a white-flowered plant. He then collected the seeds and grew new plants from them. Astonishingly, he found that all the offsprings had...
So as you can see, this is 16 minutes. Okay, so the video consists of 16 minutes. Okay, so it is used by the teacher, of course, to facilitate learning effectively. So using these videos, it can help the students to learn the lessons, not only reading the module, but also listening to the offline video presented here. So as I have said, even without the use of internet, the learner can able to view these videos. Okay, so aside from that, let us explore the activity part. So in the activity part, we have here the available activity. So if you're going to click the open, it will lead you to the PDF file of the activity. So in this part of the application, so it consists of an instructional activity in which the teacher should guide the student. Okay, it also consists of some assessment and activity or manual activity. So the teacher can ask the students to have this activity or have a printed activity of this activity sheets, right? So it also have the sources. So the same thing with the activity number 2. This is in a PDF file. Okay, the students can view this and answer this in a printed form as guided by the teacher. We also have the activity number 3. Okay, and then we have the activity number 4. So as you can see, the activities, videos are parallel to the lesson presented here in this application. Okay, so let's go now to the quizzes or the assessment part. In the quiz or assessment part, you will see here that, as I have said, just like the video and activity, so these are all parallel. So if we have lesson 1 to 4, we also have quiz number 1 to quiz number 4. So these quizzes consist of questions that are anchored from having a table of specification, of course, as guided by the curriculum. Okay, so we have the table of specification here. So that table of specification